Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on reading. It is our last week. So let's go ahead and look at Write on Reader Holes, Chapter 5, Stanley Needs a Friend. So we're going to be looking at 27 and 29. And then we're going to be working on a worksheet. Let's see. 27 through 29, so right here. She scratched Mr. Sir with her wet fingernails. The snake venom made Mr. Sir very sick. Stanley was sent back to his hole. He was surprised to see his hole was dug. He thanked all the boys. Stanley did not steal the sunflower seeds, but he took the blame for it. The boys were thankful, but then he saw that Zero had the most left to dig in his hole. He knew that Zero had dug the hole for him. Stanley asked Zero why he helped him. Zero said he knew Stanley did not steal the sunflower seeds or the sneakers. Zero knew that Stanley was not a bad boy. Zero knew Stanley needed a friend. Zero wanted to know how to read. Stanley wanted to do something nice for Zero. Stanley decided to teach Zero to read. He taught Zero how to write his name. That night, Stanley was in his bed. He thought about the gold tube he had found. He remembered seeing something like it before. His mother had one like it. It was the top of a lipstick tube. This tube had the letters KB on it. Maybe the letters meant something. So who taught Zero how to write? Read and write. Awesome. Stanley decided to teach Zero how to read and write. And what was he thinking about? The gold tube. And what does he know about the gold tube? That it was the top of a lipstick tube. So now let's continue on answering these questions. Please complete the sentence. It says, the snake venom, Mr. Sir take a shower. So the snake venom, okay, finish the sentence. So the snake venom, Mr. Sir took a shower or made Mr. Sir very sick. Great job. Who dug the hole for Stanley? Was it Zero or Stephanie? Great job. Zero dug the hole. Stanley and Zero became friends or enemies? Awesome. Yes, they became friends. So now that you have completed this worksheet, I want you to go ahead and take a picture and submit it for a grade.